Hi there, it's Babs from Babs Gets Crafty, and today I'm doing a very quick video of an unboxing. I was really fortunate and won an Instagram competition run by Penguin's Attic to win some random yarn. So it's a mystery parcel of yarn. So I'm just going to unbox it and we will see what is inside, and I'll see if I get any instant ideas or suggestions of things that I can make with it. I'm looking a bit tragic, but then that's what happens when these random things happen and you just have to record when you're ready to record. Let's see what's in the box. So here we are, and I've already taken some scissors for it, so let's see if I can do this one-handed whilst holding the phone in the other hand. Ooh, and a letter. Wow, that's quite a long letter. I shall have a look at that in a little bit. Let's see. What else do we have? We now have what feels that feels like it's really full. Now I was hoping that I'd get a nice selection of yarns. I have a crochet blanket that I have in mind that I would love to make, but this feels like lots of little balls of yarn. So let's see what is actually in here. Oh, it's not lots of little balls. Oh wow, that is a really random collection. Cool. Let's see. So we've got some. I don't even know how you describe that. That's really quite funky yarn. Ooh, I don't think this is going to work with what I had in mind initially, but I've got some lovely ideas about what I could do with this. So this is Red Heart Boutique Sachet yarn, and then we've got some drops, Unicolor, and that's cotton. Oh, I know exactly what I'm going to do with the cotton things, because these colours are perfect. And we've got this from Sheepies, and I actually have an idea for that straight away. And yes, so these three are all cottons, and then we have some tinsel. I have no idea what I'm going to do with some tinsel, not a clue, but I shall definitely give it some thought. And this is so soft. This is just divine. Patterns Baby Smiles Fairy Tale Cloud. It really feels like a cloud. That it depends on how much I have. I might have an idea of what I can do with this one. So yes, that's quite exciting. Let's see. So we have a nice selection. I've got these three here, which I've already got a bit of an idea with what I'm going to have to do. I'll have to see if this is enough, but I do have an idea for this one. The tinsel, I haven't got a clue. I need to put my thinking cap on. But the colours work quite nicely with this sachet from Red Heart. So we'll see how that works out. I might be able to do something quite funky with those. And let's have a very quick look at this letter. Oh, I love the ending. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. That is fabulous. So let's see. What does the letter actually say for us? Hello, thank you so much for entering this competition to become a Penguin's Attic yarn tester. So here we are. You have a beautiful box of yarn. The yarns may not be the weights or colours you're used to working with and may take you well out of your comfort zone. But yes, let's see. I've got some really odd combinations. But yes, that's definitely out of my comfort zone. But that's a good thing, right? You have complete creative control over what you make. And I'm excited to see your results. There is no obligation to use all the yarn in your box. Please use what you wish and save the rest for another time. Well, that's incredibly generous, because that's a lot of yarn in this little box. You know, for me to not have to use all of it, although I'm very tempted to use all of it. Not on the same project. I don't see how I could use all of it on the same project. But as I say, 1, 2, 3 things I might be able to get out of this. We'll see. And let's see what else. You have complete creative control over what you make, and I'm excited to see results. When you've finished your item, please post a picture of what you've made along with a brief review of what the yarn was like to work with. Make sure to tag Penguin's Attic Yarns. All entries submitted will be voted on by our Instagram followers. Oh yes, no pressure there to come up with something beautiful and stunning. And the winning entry will become the Penguin Attic Yarns yarn tester, if they want to. Well, I mean, who wouldn't want to get a nice supply of lovely random yarn all the time to have a play and a test? There's a deadline of the 21st of April, so I need to get cracking with this, I think. And the role will involve you receiving new yarn each month and creating a review of it to post on our page. Well, that's such a hardship. That would be fabulous to do. New yarn each month to play with, even completely random yarn. My brain would love to have a go at that. Okay, so I think then I need to get cracking. Sophie's barking in the background, obviously getting excited. She can feel the vibe, and we will see what I can play with and what I can come up with. If you've got any suggestions or thoughts on what I can make with any of these yarns, then please drop them in the comments below, and I will share with you what I've managed to create along the way. Until then, I'll say bye for now. And if you want to know where these yarns came from, I'll put a link in the comments down below to Penguin's Attic Yarns. Until then, I'll say bye.